welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I am so glad that you are here today. Thank you for clicking on this video. Before we get started with the DIYs, I want to go over some of these papers with you. This set is from Amazon and they are 6x6 and they have 24 repeating patterns in this old world Christmas theme. These are the ones that I will be using today and they will be linked below in my Amazon shop. They retail for $10 and they are blank on the back. And there is at least there's two of each pattern here. And I'm just showing you the patterns. I do have another one I'm going to show you here in a minute that you can get at Hobby Lobby. The Amazon version here is just if you don't have a Hobby Lobby near you, or you don't live close enough to one, or if you go to Hobby Lobby and the one I'm about to show you isn't there. I really loved these papers. I thought they were great, and I did use them in this DIY today. So this is from the Paper Studio, and there are 60 sheets in here, and there's repeating patterns in here also. This is from the Paper Studio. It retails for $22. I got it half off for $11, so you can see that if you can pick this up, you can get a lot more paper here. But this, if it's in stock, sometimes I had to look real hard for it this time, and I did finally find it tucked in a corner, but I wanted to show you these different patterns. And then if you didn't like the ones from Amazon, or you have a Hobby Lobby near you, you could go in there and find these patterns. It's a Santa Claus there. Anyways, real cute vintage patterns, and I think that this pad gives you more bang for your buck. But today I am using the Amazon pieces in my DIYs, and I am an Amazon associate and I do earn from qualifying purchases in my storefront, just to let you know that. But I will be using the Amazon papers in my DIY today. But if you're near a Hobby Lobby and you find these, you could get in there and pick these up too. These are real, look how pretty those are. See how nice? All right, let's get started. In today's video, I am going to be bouncing back and forth between DIYs because I did these all together at the same time. So you're going to see me go back and forth between them. That's why I don't have a definite separation between each DIY type. Also, I'm just going to play some music and let you relax and enjoy.